Hello and welcome to CRM Dynamics Quote Manager for Microsoft Dynamics 365, a powerful quoting solution that works 100% natively within Microsoft Dynamics customer engagement. The solution works with all the standard features of the Dynamics platform, so the system is easy to use and maintain with no special training needed, and allows you to create and send professionally branded quotes within minutes. A key feature of the Quote Manager is the range of searching capabilities users can utilize to locate the products they want to add to the quote. It works like any other website search bar. You can add filters, search for items, and add them to the quote. You can search by make, by description, or say, product SKU. The advanced search capability of the Quote Manager allows users to search and filter hundreds of thousands of records in just a few seconds. Products can easily be added to the quote either in bulk or one at a time, and the process can be repeated as necessary until it's finished. Once all the products have been added, you can view the quote so far. On the pricing management grid, you can add the quantities, change the description, and apply discounts. Another key benefit of the Quote Manager is that you can easily manage the quote layout from here. You can drag and drop products to lay them out in the correct order. Comment lines and subtotals can be added too, so when the PDF quote is generated, it's presented in a structured and professional layout. Additional features to the Quote Manager include adding write-in products. And to really speed up the quoting process, we can import pre-created templates or clone existing quotes. At the quote header level, the quote can be activated and closed as won or lost. From here, you can also revise the quote, clone the quote, or send the quote in an email direct to your client. As 100% of the product and quote data is held in Dynamics, you can report on how successfully your products are selling, how many products are in open quotes, or how many have been won and lost. This was just a brief taste of how easy it is to create professional quotes in a fraction of the time as other methods with our Quote Manager from Microsoft Dynamics 365. To find out more information, visit www.crmdynamics.co.uk or give us a call on 01908 929 555 and ask about the Quote Manager.